Hello. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has fallen to a 6-year low. Is the worst over? Is the worst over? Does this mean BTC has finally bottomed out, or are we facing even more trouble? The last few weeks have been brutal for BTC and the rest of the market. The largest digital asset fell by approximately $30,000 in less than 10 days, reaching its lowest point, at least for now, on Friday morning with a drop to $60,000. Given this catastrophe, it's almost expected that overall investor sentiment has fallen equally. In fact, it reached multi-year lows. Fear still dominates. Since cryptocurrency markets, like most other financial sectors, can be very emotional, the Fear and Greed Index was created to demonstrate rapid changes. Market momentum and overall volatility account for half of the index's final score, which ranges from extreme fear, 0, to extreme greed, 100. Therefore, it's not surprising that it has mostly fallen recently. Bitcoin's price peaked at over $95,000 in mid-January, and just over 10 days ago, on January 28th, it stopped.